I started Fortress Retirement Coaching Program because I saw once people retired, there was really a sense of purpose that was lacking. I mean, I'd spent decades helping people build out their financial plans, giving them a sense of confidence in retirement financially. But one of the things I noticed is as people were retiring, they lost something. And part of that was their identity. And they also didn't know what that next chapter looked like. I thought, why don't we shift away from the financial side of things and let's focus more on that next chapter that could bring them some clarity and purpose about what that next chapter looks like. The program is for people that are either recently retired or people that are about to retire. During the workshop, it's actually a hands-on experience. It's not a lecture. They're proactively doing various exercises, and ultimately we break into small groups so they can learn from others during this phase of retirement. The response that we received from the first retirement coaching program, quite frankly, was overwhelming. And what was interesting is I saw a lot of connections with other people that were strangers because they're all going through the same thing. If the retirement program seems of interest to you as you approach retirement or are newly retired, talk to your advisor and we can get you on the list for our next session.